Little Angel Reader.
Little Angel Reader.
One English Conversation. Learn English, Part 5. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. Why are you learning English? Listen to the dialogue. What's your name? My name is Andrew. Can you spell your name for me, please? Sure. A-N-D-R-E-W. Andrew. What's your last name? My last name is Schmidt. How do you spell it? S-C-H-M-I-D-T. Schmidt. I'm Andrew Schmidt. Thank you. Are you American? No, I'm not. I'm German. I'm from Germany. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. I speak English. How did you learn English? I've been studying by myself. Why are you learning English? I need it for my job. How long have you been learning English? For 5 years. I have been learning English for 5 years. Do you like learning English? Yes, I love it. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages: German, English, and Russian. Wow, I wish I could speak several languages. Learning new languages is challenging but fun. Practice 1. Let's practice with speaker number 1. What's your name? Can you spell your name for me, please? What's your last name? How do you spell it? Thank you. Are you American? Do you speak English? How did you learn English? Why are you learning English? How long have you been learning English? Do you like learning English? How many languages do you speak? Wow, I wish I could speak several languages. Practice 2. Let's practice with speaker number 2. My name is Andrew. Sure. A-N-D-R-E-W. Andrew. My last name is Schmidt. S-C-H-M-I-D-T. Schmidt. I'm Andrew Schmidt. I'm not. I'm German. I'm from Germany. Yes, I do. I speak English. I've been studying by myself. I need it for my job. For 5 years. I have been learning English for 5 years. Yes, I love it. I speak 3 languages: German, English, and Russian. Learning new languages is challenging but fun. Good job! Well done! Several minutes of English a day keep boredom away and make you smarter each day. Thanks for learning with us today. To be continued. Don't miss our new dialogues. Have you read any of my books? Which one is your favorite? If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, you can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.